The Congressional Hispanic Caucus has joined thousands of medical professionals and immigrant rights groups to demand that ICE release detainees from immigration jails as the coronavirus continues to spread.
Never Again Action, along with our partners in the immigrant justice movement, are taking action across the country, figuring out how to show up for each other in a safe and healthy way. In 1945, Anne Frank died at the Bergen-Belsen concentration camp. The Nazis didn't even have to send her to a gas chamber. She died from typhus, a preventable, communicable illness that spread rapidly in the camp's filthy, crowded environment.
Epidemics were raging through the camp, and different kinds of terrible illnesses were dominating the camp.
Her death was not accidental. Those cramped, inhumane conditions were deliberately created to sicken and kill people. The unsanitary conditions in ICE facilities will have the same lethal effect. Children and adults were dying in ICE detention before COVID-19, but ICE detainees can't social distance when they're forced to sleep in crowded cells on concrete floors. ICE withholds access to basic hygiene, including soap and hand sanitizer. Conditions are primed for a mass outbreak. Several detainees have already tested positive for COVID-19, and, if we do nothing, countless more will be exposed in the days ahead. Inaction will kill thousands. What would you have done during the early days of the Holocaust? How do we stop ICE detention facilities from becoming death camps? America's governors have vast emergency powers. They ordered schools closed, they ordered the lockdowns, and they're the ones taking charge. If they want to, they can declare that their state's prisons and ICE facilities are a public health risk and order them evacuated.
Call the governor's office to let him know.
Call your governor. Then call 5 friends and ask them to call your governor. If you're healthy and able to do so safely, do a projection. Drive to a camp and honk for justice. Or help us find new, safe, healthy ways to protest. This Passover, as we celebrate freedom and commit to collective liberation, join Never Again Action, along with our partners in the immigrant justice movement, as we take action across the country, showing up for each other in a safe and healthy way. Never Again means now, and now is the time to stop ICE's concentration camps from turning into death camps.